If you are looking for spotlight effect in your video in CapCut, then don't skip this video. So first select your video and drag onto the timeline. Then click on the effects and in the video effects type here spotlight and hit enter. And here you can see that the spotlight flick effect. You just need to drag onto the timeline and adjust the length with the video. So you can see that there is the too much glow on the video, and on the right side you can adjust the glow to the, I'm sure, 40%. Yeah, this is much better. And now you can further select the video and head to the animation tab, and in the in tab you can choose the slide left effect, and you can also set the duration to the 2.5 seconds. And now let's play it how it looks. This is perfect. So you can easily apply spotlight flick effect on CapCut video. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.